Water level at the Angat Dam has dipped below its minimum operating level, causing water pressure in many Metro Manila households to weaken even more. Shaila Francisco has the rest of the story.
To avoid running out of water for their daily use, Chofilo Bayos has already prepared buckets of it at his house in Quezon City.
Kaya kami nag-ipon ng tubig kasi hindi natin masabi na biglang nawala yung tubig, tulo ng tubig. At kasi may stock kami ng tubig. Mas maganda yung may ipon na talagang.
Bayos does this as a precaution as water pressure in their community started to weaken during the afternoon and night instead of only during the early hours of the morning. The MWSS says some areas in Metro Manila, Rizal and Cavite will experience decreased water pressure from 10 p.m. to 4 in the morning. For some areas in Manila and Quezon City, water pressure weakens starting 12 noon to 4 p.m. Water level is now reduced twice in a day to prevent further decline of water at the Angat Dam. That's because the water level in the dam has dropped below the minimum operating level of 180 meters. When this level is reached, water supply of consumers is prioritized over water supply for irrigation of farmers. That's why consumers are reminded to save water.
Mga selected areas lang naman po ito. Ito po yung mga areas po kasi na talagang malakas po or mataas po yung kanilang mga losses po, no. So yun po yung gusto natin i-catch para masave po natin yung tubig. Sa ngayon po, no, since we wanted to preserve pa rin yung ating pong reservoir, since wala pa rin po yung pag-uulan, kaya magkakandak pa rin po tayo ng mga pressure management po na sa ating po sistema.
The water allocation needed to avoid water interruptions in Metro Manila and nearby provinces is 52 cubic meters per second. Allocation for households is currently at 49 cubic meters per second, and this will last until the end of May. That's why they're taking out the 3 cubic meter difference from the allocation for irrigation. Despite this, the MWSS and the Agriculture Department assures farmers that water supply for irrigation will continue.
Coordinated po sa mga irrigators association po, no, and para hindi naman po maapektuhan pa yung mga sakahan na kailangan pa ng additional na tubig, ay bibigyan po natin yung ating pong mga sakahan or yung mga irrigators association ng tulong, just like pagbigay ng mga fuel subsidies.
Ang maapektuhan yan yung mag-early planters. At kung kulangin, meron naman tayong mga provision for shallow tube well or other small-scale irrigation projects.
Shaila Francisco, WR1 News.